Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. NumPy is a powerful library in Python that provides support for large multidimensional arrays and matrices, along with a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. One common task is reading CSV, comma-separated values, files and converting them into NumPy arrays for further analysis or processing. Tutorial: Reading CSV files into NumPy arrays. Step 1. Install NumPy. If you haven't installed NumPy yet, you can do so using pip. Step 2. Prepare a CSV file. For this example, let's create a simple CSV file named data.csv. You can create this file using a text editor or programmatically. Data.csv. Step 3. Import NumPy. In your Python script, you need to import the NumPy library. Step 4. Load the CSV file into a NumPy array. You can use the numpy.loadtxt function or the numpy.genfromtxt function to read the CSV file and convert it into a NumPy array. Using numpy.loadtxt. This function is suitable for simple CSV files without any headers. Using numpy.genfromtxt. This function is more versatile and can handle files with headers or missing values. Step 5. Accessing data. Once the data is loaded into a NumPy array, you can easily access and manipulate it using NumPy's indexing and slicing capabilities. Step 6. Example code. Here's the complete code for reading a CSV file into a NumPy array and performing some operations on it. Summary. In this tutorial, we learned how to 1. Install NumPy. 2. Prepare a CSV file. 3. Use numpy.loadtxt and numpy.genfromtxt to read the CSV file into a NumPy array. 4. Access and manipulate the data within the array. With this knowledge, you can easily work with CSV data in NumPy for various data analysis tasks.